Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class we will solve another Java problem. So let us get into the class. So here we are having the problem statement. So this is the problem statement. So take three integers x and y and z, assign value of x to y to z, z to x. Then print the value of x, y, z in the separate line. So I have written the code. I will just explain to you. As we know, if you want to use scanner class, we have to write import java.title.start, and this is the main function. And we have written scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in, and we have taken three inputs x, y, z. We have taken the three inputs. So we have taken the three inputs x, y, and z, and here we have to write the logic. Here we have to write the logic. Here we have to write the logic. So first of all, I will take in temp is equal to z. So I'll take temp, and temp is equal to z. Z is equal to y is equal to x is equal to temp. So this is the logic. Like we are swapping the first we are storing the temp z in the temp, and I'm assigning y value to the z, and I'm assigning x value to the y, and I'm assigning x value to the temp. So this is what swapping is. And first of all, we have to comment this portion, and let us run the program again. X value is 5, 8, 9. So after swapping, 9, 5, 8 is the answer. As the answer. So this is how we can swap the numbers in Java. So that's it, friends. If you find this video helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be a benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.